because we are all contributors to the school system, yet the system that only certain voices are heard. While parents and community members who want accountability are ignored. We have a serious problem that is district has chosen not to address. 4 CCSD librarians tied to a fake organization has been taking pictures of CCSD children during school hours with pride flags and posting them for personal and political gain. They spew hate without facts, and they rally people to attack administrators simply for having a different perspective. They advocate for sexually explicit material and even books with deep imagery in our libraries. For example, in at least 8 of our high schools, the book Flamer by Mike Curran goes step by step on how to open a switchblade and slit your wrist up to completion. How is that education? And let's be clear, when these librarians defend such books, they often point to the minority students as justification, as if Black and brown students need to be blended into a community or treated like they are a condition. This is offensive. Our students deserve to be treated as individuals, not pawns for someone's agenda. The role of a librarian is to promote a love of reading through recommending books, building legacy, and hosting programs across all backgrounds, not to push one's ideology. If administrators are punished for having different views while librarians promote books instructing students how to take their own lives, this district will not only be the 5th largest district in the nation, it will face the 1st largest lawsuit in history. Therefore, I'm calling for accountability. The librarians at Talon Elementary, McCall Elementary, Martinez Elementary, and Arborview High School must be fired, not moved, not promoted, but removed from their positions. Our children deserve better, parents deserve to be heard, and this board has the responsibility to act. Thank you.